Most AI tools like Midjourney or DALL create amazing images, but they often lack detail, soft edges, fuzzy skin, or just low resolution. That's where enhancement comes in. Today I'll show you how to fix that in seconds using AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI. Just drag in your AI image. Choose the AI Upscaler function. Then select a model like Ultra for general enhancement, and also the face refinement for portraits. Don't forget to select 400% image size in your output setting. Now let's preview it. It automatically improves sharpness, boosts detail, no manual editing needed. You can use the enhanced images for anything: profile pics, posters, thumbnails, or even high-quality prints. Pro tips: always use high-res AI images for the best results, and enable face refinement when enhancing portraits. Try AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI, link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video editing tips.